Hello, Level Up community. Today we're going to discuss the 83B election. This is a tax strategy often used by employees and founders who receive stock compensation, particularly in startups. I'll guide you through who qualifies, why it's advantageous, and how to file correctly. The 83B election is a tax filing choice that lets individuals pay taxes upfront on the current value of restricted stocks instead of waiting until the stocks vest. So this strategy is beneficial if you expect the stocks to increase in value over time. By electing 83B, future gains from the stock sale may qualify for lower long-term capital gains tax rates instead of higher ordinary income tax rates. So the 83B election is available to employees or founders who receive stock options as part of their compensation. It applies to various types of equity, including non-qualified stocks options, incentive stock options, and restricted stock awards. The 83B election is ideal for those who anticipate significant growth in the company's stock value, such as when preparing for an IPO or acquisition. If the stock is granted at a very low strike price, or if there's a minimal difference between the strike price and fair market value, paying taxes upfront could save substantial future tax liability. It's also suited for those planning to stay long enough to meet vesting requirements. Making the 83B election avoids paying taxes on the stock's appreciation when it's best. So instead, you pay taxes upfront on the current value, locking in a lower basis. So future gains are taxed as long-term capital gains if held for more than a year. Additionally, if the stock qualifies as qualified small business stock, you may get further exclusion on gains. The 83B election must be filed within 30 days of the stock grant date. So timing is critical because late elections are not accepted. So you'll need to send the election to the IRS and provide a copy to your employer. So to file, we need to fill out 3 cover letters, one for the IRS, one for your employer, and one for your own record. Also, we need to fill out 4 completed 83B election forms, 2 for the IRS, 1 for your employer, and 1 for your own record. So self-addressed prepaid envelope is also needed for IRS return receipt. Before we wrap up, here are the key points to remember. So timing is everything. You must file the 83B election within 30 days of the grant date. Late filings are not allowed. The election is best for employees and founders who anticipate significant stock appreciation and want to minimize future tax burdens. So by electing 83B, you pay taxes upfront on the stock's current value and lock in long-term capital gain rates for future sales. So the filing process requires precision. Submit forms to the IRS and your employer, and also keep proof of mailing for your own records. So finally, future stock gains are taxed at a lower capital gain rates, making this strategy advantageous for higher growth scenarios. So thank you once again for your time today. I hope this presentation clarified the benefits and process of the 83B election. If you have any more questions or need help filing, please feel free to reach out. So that's all for me, Level Up community.